Friedman, and I'm a photojournalist based in Boston, but I travel around the country and around the world shooting on assignments. I also teach location lighting workshops all over the globe. We recently taught at Exposure in the United Arab Emirates. We've had the honor of teaching in London and all across the U.S. One of the things I do is I specialize in creating scenes. And recently I learned about click props backdrops. Something new to me. Got one, set it up, and I'm thinking, am I gonna get glare? So I actually try to get glare out of it. And much to my amazement, it does not glare at all. And I love the choice of the backdrops. We have a choice of over 500 backdrops and floors that we can put together. I can build a set just about anywhere to get the look I'm after. It's a great product. Use a lot of strobes with it. Works out fantastically. And I like the fact it rolls up into a small tube for easy shipping. Come on by our booth, see some of our pictures. Hi! Backgrounds are looking terrific. We've got two different backgrounds that are playing beautifully off each other. And the amazing thing on these backgrounds is there is no glare off of this background. I have absolutely no glare. I don't really care where I even put my lights because I'm not worried about reflection. Right. Bye-bye.